Fools, brilliant are the dreams of fools.
Looking for a little magic in your life? Look no further than Cassadaga, Florida. Cassadaga is home to the Southern Cassadaga Spiritualist Camp, founded by George Colby in 1894 as a home for spiritualists. Colby himself was a medium, guided through the wilderness by a spirit guide named Seneca to this remote Florida destination. He built a community around the belief that while the body may die, the spirit carries on, and that it's possible for the living to communicate with the dead. At first glance, Cassadaga today may look like any other quaint little Central Florida town, but this full-time home to mediums, psychics, and healers is considered the psychic capital of the world. In this community, visitors can connect to loved ones in the afterlife, catch a glimpse into their future, and buy metaphysical souvenirs.
What is it doing?
Its tail is moving.
What does it say?
Oh, moving tail and head. In love, the truth comes out.
Well, I
She's
do
in
like
love.
somebody.
Oh, zoom in on the smile. We caught her.
You try.
We caught her in love. For both the avid believer and the curious tourist, anyone can come to Cassadaga and achieve some level of enlightenment, whatever that means for you.